Hello, this OpenSolar video demonstrates how to create a project and update project information. Enter the project zone of OpenSolar by selecting the Projects button at the bottom of the page. Here you will see a list of all of the projects you've already created, or it will be blank if you're just getting started. There are a few ways you can filter projects. There are buttons at the top of the page that you can select. You can also apply multiple custom filters. Or you can generate custom reports from a list, such as your starred projects. You're also able to download and upload CSV files from OpenSolar. You can create a new project from this page by selecting the New Projects button on the top right screen, or you can view an individual project by selecting the address. If you've already included your customer's contact information, you can one-click call, email, or text straight from the app. There is a stage tracker that you can update as your project progresses. Within each stage are customizable action items that are time-stamped when you check them. You can also send an invitation with your proposal to your customer. You can plan and track activities through OpenSolar and add it to your schedule. You can also see completed activities in the project history. This includes when your customer has opened a proposal you've sent via a link. There are lots of sales and service details you can add, including your lead source, some custom tags, and a contract date. You can include more site details, such as a roof type, number of phases, and a wind region. You can add or edit your electricity usage. And for those of you in the US, we have an API with Utility API. Editing this section, you can choose your data source, which can be a default or estimate, or you can choose real consumption data that includes monthly kilowatt-hour values. Even adding just one data point will allow you to generate a curve that you can further customize through weekday or weekend or scaling relative to the weekday. We have an extensive database of utilities with OpenSolar that you can search through. This includes recently used rates, or you can search from our entire database of rates. If there is a rate that you want to see that isn't in OpenSolar, feel free to send that to our support team and we'll add it for you. Or you're also able to create a new rate if you'd like to use it right now. Moving down the page, you're able to see what proposal template you're using and can edit from there. You'll also see a system summary if you've already created a design. There's installation and compliance information and compliance documents as well. You can upload files to the cloud that are specific to each project, and you can add tags in this section. To create a new project, you'll select the New Project button on the top right screen of this page. From here, you'll enter in an address. Ensure that you've selected it from the Google dropdown. You can then add contact details and more details, such as tags, who the assigned team member is, and you can include your electricity usage from here. Then you can select either Create and View, which will take you to the individual project page, or Create and Design, which will take you into Studio. Please see the next video for creating your first design.